right, she's ready for a send, brother. All right.
Oh, it's so squeaky.
All right.
Oh, is there a rock underneath? Or is it the, oh, no, my drive shaft is dragging.
Yeah, it's just moving.
Oh no, it's just dragging.
Are you really? Alright, good. Keep going. Yeah.
Is that over it?
Yeah.
Good enough? It's been in this spot
For 4 years.
since I bought my house. It has been in this same spot. That's kind of sad.
I remember you couldn't even shut your garage door for a while because it was just stuck out here.
Yeah, it was like stuck over here.
Yeah.
Remember? Cause like the dude, the way he did it, yeah, and then
The video of him putting it in the garage.
there were marks from where we like skirted it across the ground. That's good. At least it's out of the garage. Now we need to clean it.
Oh. 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 You do have funnels.
Doesn't look like I do anything right. Come on now.
You're gonna need to do multiple, you're gonna need to spray it, then wash it, then spray it, then wash
Yeah,
it.
especially down here. Probably should have just done a pre-rinse with the water.
Especially now, you don't want to do that with the grease, because then it creates a barrier between the degreaser and the water.
Good to know.
I'm gonna do a little spritzing to save you a hand too.
Yeah, my hands are fucking satisfied. Let me take a break.
I'll do a second pass for you.
I'll turn the water on. It's fighting back. That's so crunchy right there, bro.
Actually, not too bad. 415 will go right over that.
I'm gonna come.
Might be a little spray back action over here. All from there where I scrub it up down. That frame rail, yeah, real nice. Yeah, I scrubbed that too. I scrubbed that.
I don't believe you.
I scrubbed the power steering rail too, spray that off.
Oh, this is as far as I get. Honestly, it's pretty good. I'll give it one more spray down. Just the spritzer, you know?
Yeah. Get her real good, dude. Get the whole thing.
Yeah, dude, the seal's brown again. That's crazy.
The seal's actually good. The holes. Strut powers are universal. So they cover the holes for the fuse box and stuff because it's opposite in Japan.
New Mustang at Culver's. That thing's sick looking.
Alright, so these are relatively cleaner. We'll probably do this wrinkle black and we'll do that wrinkle black, and I'll probably get the silver color and just redo this little intake manifold. Eric said not to do anything with that because it's going to chip in X, Y, and Z, and I get it, but I don't know. Kind of want to just make it look a little bit nicer, but also at the same time it's going to just be under here anyways. So as you can see, oh man, we got a weird glare from the sunlight, but look at how much cleaner it looks. It's a lot cleaner in here. So the next goal is to re-jack the car up we're going to take the suspension off again. I need to replace those few pieces that are broken, and then I also want to clean the subframe out, make sure these are good here, and that we don't need new ones, especially for the underneath part. They look a little bit trash. I'm sure they're not too expensive, and I could probably get them. If I can't get them, then I'm not going to worry about it too much, but either way, I want to take the subframe off, clean it, and paint it, and do all that good stuff with the Pour 15, I think is what it is. And then, yeah, we're basically ready to do the engine once I get the paint to do all of that stuff. And then the car should be ready once I get the suspension pieces. And then Tristan is giving me his old red Speed 6 that he had used as a parts car when he blew his up, after he had bought a silver one. So he had two and then kind of just built one. So I'm gonna end up having that we're gonna tear apart and take stuff off of, and basically have extra stuff. So we might wait for that to do the suspension stuff, because I know there's suspension on it. What might be usable and what might not be usable, we're not really sure yet. So yeah, that's happening, so that's exciting. Other news, I think I blew up this. So if we come down here and just so yeah, for everybody I told that it was good, still it's not good. Still, it made it through about 2 months of the warmer weather here and died. I think I blew it up in the intro to like 2 or 3 videos ago, so that's fun. Yeah, either way, that will probably do it for the video here. I don't really plan on doing too long of a video, so thank you all for watching, and we will be back next week, hopefully getting all of the paint and stuff done and getting some of the engine put back together, as well as doing the subframe stuff. So I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.